It's match day at Strikerland, but a match day like no other. It's as quiet as an empty stadium. I'm here with the Azul's fearsome keeper, De Los Santos. Anything to say before you run into the big empty?
Fan or no fans, the Azul have come to Strikerland to take no prisoners. And of course, the Strikas fans will just have to be more careful in future.
Enough! Enough of you! Enough of everything! Enough of saying enough! I've got to do something!
Oops! Sorry! I just came over to...
Spencer! I was just thinking about you.
You were?
Yeah, we're the only two people who can fix this.
How?
You're gonna get us into Strikerland.
I wouldn't count on it! Huh? Hello? Nervous?
Of course not. The only fan I need is mi madre.
So where is she, man?
No, she is at home, far away. I'm okay. I'm okay.
You mean it's all a conspiracy?
Uh-huh.
To destroy El Matador's confidence?
You know El Matador.
Yep.
Really? You know El Matador?
I could introduce you. Wait a minute. Aren't those the guys?
We're legends! Because of us, Supa Strikas are about to kick off with no fans in the stands!
Yay to us!
Say, aren't you guys those famous Supa Strikas fans?
Sure we are.
I just wanted to apologize for all the trouble I caused at the Colossus game.
Apology accepted. Okay, thanks. We're just...
But guys, the game! Supa Strikas, they need us! Oh gosh, look! Somebody almost threw out your Supa Strikas gear. Seems I came along just in time. We're gonna put on a show Supa Strikas will never forget.
There's a small crowd at Strikerland today.
Yeah, the players.
What was that? I can't quite hear your fans, El Matador.
Can this be it? The return of the old El Matador?
We can only hope.
It's just not your night, El Matador. It's silent night, no?
Why? Why? What is happening to me? Oh, El Matador seems to be in another world.
And it could cost Supa Strikas big.
And Azul scores with only seconds to halftime!
I've never said these words before, but I was wrong. I need the fans.
What about all the fans at home?
I know they're out there, but I can't hear them.
Man, we need a miracle.
And if we don't get one, I'm going to have to take El Matador off.
Here comes Supa Strikas!
Let's hope let's hope El Matador can improve on that first half performance.
Or they're going down to the Azul and down the Super League table! coming through.
Nice build-up from Supa Strikas.
Oh, man. It's worse than I thought. Good call, Shakes. Nothing wrong with a bit of DIY.
De Los Santos covers. It's off the post.
And straight to El Matador. He's wide open. This must be Striker's best chance today.
I can't do this!
El Matador! I think he's finally lost it, Brenda.
He's just frozen.
This is getting bad. I am now hearing things.
I hear it too.
Really?
Mac, it's the strangest thing. I can actually hear.
Singing? Apparently, thousands of Supa Strikas fans are gathered outside Strikerland, cheering El Matador on.
How?
Finally! Looks like El Matador is back to his old self.
The fans have given him a real lift, Mac.
El Matador is the best player.